Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on upgrading your Windows 11 license. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Activation. Here it shows your Windows license, and you can click to upgrade your license. If you already have a license key, you can enter it here, or you can open the store to buy a new license. In the store, you can buy a Pro or Workstation license. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.